2012, and it's leaking from the upper hose connection to the radiator, adding a little bit of antifreeze every now and then. So, but now it's so bad. So went to the dealership and got this Motorcraft O-ring RTS 1077 1X. So hopefully it's the right one. Alright, so I got these tools now, and so hopefully they will work. And let me get the camera close one more time. It's this. You gotta pull this retainer right here off. Once that's off, that's all you have to do. You can pull the thing off, the whole hose. The thing is super tight in there. This might not be the smartest idea, as we can lose this whole retainer. That's why I brought a little needle nose to help. Yep, we dropped it eventually, but needle nose kept it from going anywhere. Anyway, best way is you taking this off. Best way is just get the needle nose to hold it. Once you pulled it with, once you use the pick, just use the needle nose, because this will come at you. And we'll put it in a safe spot. I'm assuming there's no antifreeze. Now if you're full, you gotta have to take some of the antifreeze off. Not necessarily all of it. A little bit left and right. If something gets in your way, you can always disconnect us. MAP sensors in the way. We can actually take the whole thing out of the way. See if I can take this thing out. You don't really need to take the whole thing. You don't need to take that off if your hand's small. I think for more visibility, once we get to the O-ring, it makes more sense to take this off. Looks like the back one is off. Yep, you're not supposed to. You know what? The little number, the first one is W, is a winner. That's when you first start the truck. You know, it's funny that things, when it's cold, things are thicker, but the oil is built different. When it's cold, it's really watery, and it's just so you can go access all the parts easily.
Will it help to take this off?
Yeah,
this lid to get that off?
I try to take the lid off, but let me see. Maybe you're right. Maybe. Yep. Maybe I didn't need to do this.
Want to do that?
Maybe I don't.
Get it out of the way.
Yeah, it'll just get out of the way. It's fine. Yep. Don't need to take this off.
Too.
That looks clean. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, let me get a new one.
Shit, what happened to it? Damn it.
Does it have a number on it? I just get it.
I can get look it up.
Stop at the store. All we gotta do is, it's just the air filter, right?
Yeah, I can look it up on the right number. This thing is just pain in the ass. Oh, a little bit of antifreeze came off. Looks like it's this one here. Yep, that's the O-rings right here.
Does it look bad?
It does look flat. It does look flat. I can try to pull it off slowly. So you'd probably need to have a smaller pick.
I don't have any.
That's alright. I have a lot of tools. They're all scattered. It's probably in the backyard. Sometimes it's just easier just to fiddle with what we have. This will work.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that angle. It looks a little bit flat. I hope that the new one would be good.
Where's that antifreeze? I'll go get it.
I think so. I'll buy you a bottle because I dumped.
Okay. That's cool.
I'm so
Don't
sorry.
worry about it. I'll get more. I gotta get an air filter.
You know Chuck, you don't have to pay me for the oil. I use for the truck. Sorry, I used always a bottle of antifreeze because I ran.
That's all right.
Measure. Make sure they're the right size. Yep, that's the right one. I can't believe there's people there that drive. Like the guy that bought my Challenger. He never put tags on it. He never transferred the title, and Beth's telling me, "Oh, you gonna get you?" I tell him, "No, he had no proof." Actually, I told her he's in trouble. I can go get the car.
Right.
I told
You
her
turned your tags into the DMV. You're fine.
Yeah.
You
Yep.
turned your tags in and you canceled the insurance all within probably a week of each other, right?
It was only just 2 days.
Right. Exactly.
Actually, the idea is to slide this back in place. Oops. Just like the way it came off, and try to click it. Damn it. Make sure I put it the right way. Okay. So when you put it in, you'll see the 3 ends there. This is our O-ring. Just make sure it's coated very well with antifreeze or silicone, whatever, like lithium, something that doesn't really spray, that doesn't really damage the O-rings. Okay, this is in. Remember, don't ever put it in that groove there. That groove there is for the locking mechanism. Just slide it in and tug, pull again on it, and it should be right in. Please. We're gonna need a new filter. We're gonna drive this with no filter to the parts store, I guess. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to do that. Put the thing right in the right way.
The simplest thing is pain in the ass.
Yeah, I think if the filter is gasket
Bent.
Yeah, I think if the filter is good, it probably won't run into. Oh, son of a gun. Wipe it so it doesn't get dirty. Yeah, that's it, fellas. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.